According to the British Dietetic Association, well-planned vegan diets can support healthy living in people of all ages, including older adults. The key is planning. I would say the most important nutrients to pay attention to would be protein, vitamin D and calcium, B12, omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, selenium, iron, and iodine. Protein is the building block that our body uses to repair tissues and cells. Proteins can also help us recover after illness. Older adults usually need less energy and the same or more protein than younger adults. Some tips to ensure you're having enough protein in your diet would be to try having a source of protein with every meal. Some good plant-based sources of protein are beans, chickpeas, lentils, nuts and nut butters, for example peanut butter, seeds and tofu. Meat substitutes, such as vegan burgers or soy sausages, can be quite useful if you're trying to adapt it to a more plant-based diet, and they can provide a source of protein. However, as with every processed food, they can be quite high in salt and fat, so they should be used in moderation. Try combining different sources of plant protein throughout the day to ensure that you're getting as many as possible of the essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. Sprinkle nuts and seeds on top of cereal and porridge. Try adding different legumes into stews and curries, and try going for soy milk alternative instead of nut milks. If your appetite is reduced or you're trying to gain weight, these are some tips to make the most of your vegan diet. Eat small meals and try having regular snacks, and try nourishing drinks such as fortified milk alternatives, hot chocolate, or smoothies. Eat when your appetite is better during the day, and try having some snacks and meals ready to go for when you feel hungry. Include some white pasta, bread and rice into your diet because they're less bulky than their whole meal equivalents. Use soy alternatives to meat, milk, custard and yogurt. Add soya cream alternative into your porridge. Add peanut butter or other nut butters into your smoothie. Add cashew nuts or silken tofu into soups and blend. Use crumbled tofu and vegan mayonnaise as a sandwich filling. Add olive oil or vegan spread to vegetables and potatoes. And try having snacks such as nuts, soy nuts, or hummus and crackers. Meal planning, shopping and preparing can be quite challenging in older age, especially if you have a chronic condition. Online shopping and home delivery can be quite handy. Some people might consider ordering foods from companies that they deliver frozen food at home, with some companies having wider vegan variety than others. Sometimes asking relatives, friends or neighbors for help with cooking can be quite useful, and you also get to enjoy the dining company. Cooking meals in bulk and freezing them can be also quite useful, especially for the days that you don't have a lot of energy. More and more people are considering going vegan nowadays, whereas for others it has always been the case. During my practice as a dietitian, I've met people who have always been following a vegetarian or a vegan diet for cultural reasons. Some other reasons could be preventing animal exploitation or having an emotional attachment with animals. Some people choose to go vegan for health reasons. Well-planned vegan diets actually follow healthy eating recommendations, and they can provide all the nutrients our body needs. Some research has linked plant-based diets with lower cholesterol and lower blood pressure, as well as lower rates of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and some cancers. Some people might go vegan for the environment. They want to reduce their carbon footprint and they want to leave a healthier planet for the next generations. For more information, you can visit the Vegan Society website, nutrition pages, where you can find resources created by a registered dietitian. If you need individualized advice, then please speak to your healthcare professional. And if you have complex needs or concerns, you can speak to your doctor to get a referral to a dietitian.